How to archive a note on Google Keep Notes easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to archive a note easy for beginners and for everyone that start using this great app. So all what you have to do is go to Keep Notes. Now this is the home page as you can see. Now let's say that you want to archive one of your notes, for example this one right here. All what you have to do is click on it and keep clicking like this. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on those three dots, more options, and you will find archive. Click on archive and it's archived easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.